Video of exponent, I have explained some easier examples, and in this video I am explaining quite higher level of examples. Example 1. If x equals to 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus 2 to the power 2 by 3, then show x cube minus 6x equals to 6. First, to solve this question, you have to know about some identities. We will read about those identities in next lectures. But I am telling you only one identity here. That is x plus y whole cube equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy x plus y. This is identity, and you will read about it in chapter polynomials. So now x equals to 2 to the power 1 upon 3 plus 2 to the power 2 by 3. X equals to 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus 2 to the power 2 by 3. Now, cubing both sides. So, it will become x cube equals to 2 to the power 3 into 1 by 3 plus 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 3 plus 3xy. It is in identity. So 3 into 2 to the power 1 upon 3 into 2 to the power 2 upon 3, 3xy x plus y. So 2 to the power 1 upon 3 plus 2 to the power 2 by 3. So we will cancel these two. So 2 plus 2 to the power 4 is left here. So it will become 2 2s are 4 plus 3 into 2 to the power 1 upon 3 plus 2 to the power 2 upon 3 into 2 to the power 1 upon 3 plus 2 to the power 2 upon 3. So it will become 6 plus, now it will become 3 upon 3. So 3 into 2 to the power 3 upon 3 means 2 to the power 1. And 2 to the power 1 upon 3 plus 2 to the power 2 upon 3. So actually we have to write it x cube here. X cube equals to 6 plus 6 and 2 to the power 1 upon 3 plus 2 to the power 2 upon 3. Now look here, 2 to the power 1 upon 3 plus 2 to the power 2 upon 3 equals to x. So we will put the value of this here. So x cube equals to 6 plus 6x. So x cube minus 6x equals to 6. We have proved it. Now, next example. ln root x to the power L upon x power m into mn root x power m divided by x power n into n L root x to the power n divided by x power n. We have to simplify it. Now x power L minus m. This is our dividing. Bracket close. 1 upon L m into x power m minus n bracket close, 1 upon m n into x power n minus l divided by x power nn. 1 upon x, not x, it is n, and l. So we can write it x power l minus m upon lm, and directly we can write plus m minus n upon mn plus n minus l upon nl. I think you have understood that all the bases are multiplying, so their powers will add up. So x power LCM will be L M N. So N L minus M plus L M minus N plus M N minus N. X power NL minus MN plus LM minus LN plus MN minus ML divided by LMN. Okay. So x power 0. So value will become 1. It's our answer. One more example on the basis of exponent. If ABC equals to 1, show 1 upon 1 plus A plus B power minus 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus B plus C power minus 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus C plus A power minus 1 equals to 1. We have to prove it. Since ABC equals to 1, so we can write C equals to 1 upon AB and AB equals to 1 upon C. Actually, I have to write these two things here, but due to lack of space, I am writing it. Now, it will become 1 upon 1 plus A plus 1 upon B plus 1 plus B plus 1 upon C plus 1 plus C plus 1 upon A. Now we will solve only denominator. I am solving here only denominator. Numerator is here. I am not writing numerator. I am solving only denominator. B plus AB plus 1. Now in this equation, in this, only in this, I am writing value of C. Look here, it is denominator only. I have done here differently. I am solving denominator here, but in this place I am putting only value of 1 upon C. Means 1 plus B plus AB. And here also I am putting value of C. Means 1 plus 1 upon AB. C. Value of C is 1 upon AB. AB plus 1 upon A. Now, since it is denominator, so it will become B upon B plus AB plus 1. And it was a complete fraction. Again look here. 1 was denominator, and it was, sorry, 1 was numerator, and it was denominator, and I have put the value of 1 upon C here. So it will come as it is 1 plus B plus AB. Now, if we solve this separately, so it will be like this: AB plus 1 plus B upon AB. Okay? So, and again it is denominator and it is numerator, so it will reciprocate. So, it will become AB upon AB plus 1 plus B. I hope you understood this. I am solving only this much here. Now, 1 plus B plus AB. So, B plus 1 plus AB. It will become B plus 1 plus AB upon B plus 1 plus AB. So, answer is 1. I think you understood this sum. More examples. Root over 1 by 4 plus 0.01 power 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 27 power 2 by 3. We have to prove it equals to 3 upon 2. So, 1 upon 4 power 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 100 power minus 1 upon 2 minus 27, we can write 27 as 3 to the power 3 into 2 by 3. Now, we can write 1 upon 4 as 1 upon 2 power 2 into 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 100 as 10 to the power 2 into 1 upon 2. Power was in minus, so it became here positive by reciprocating it. Minus 3 power 2. We will cancel this. So, 1 upon 2 plus 10 minus 9. Now, LCM is 2, 1 plus 20 minus 18. So, 3 upon 2 equals to 3 upon 2. Means LHS we have solved left hand side. So, LHS equals to RHS. Hence, proved. Now, next one is 3 power minus 3 into 6 power 2 into under root 98 upon 5 power 2 cube root 1 by 25 plus 15 power minus 4 by 3 into 3 power 1 by 3. This is also a proof. So, 3 power minus 3 into 3 into 2. We can write 6 as 3 into 2. Power 2 into under root 7 into 7 into 2. 98 can be written as 7 into 7 into 2 upon 5 power 2 into 1 upon 25 power 1 by 3. into 3 upon 3 into 5 power minus 4 upon 3 into 3 power 1 upon 3. Next step, 3 power minus 3. 3 into 2 to the power 2 means 3 power 2 into 2 power 2. So, it will become plus 2 here into 2 to the power 2 into 7 under root 2. See, 7 into 7 into 2, it means 7 square. So, we can write it as 7 under root 2 upon 5 power 2 into 1 upon 25 means 1 upon 5 power 2 means 5 power minus 2 upon 3 into 3 power minus 4 upon 3 into 5 power minus 4 upon 3 3 power 1 upon 3. 3 power minus 1 into 2 power 2 into 7 under root 2. Upon 5 power 2 minus 2 upon 3, power will be plus here, minus 4 upon 3 into 3 power minus 4 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. Now, 3 power minus 1 into 2 to the power 2 into 7 under root 2 upon. If we solve this power, it will become 5 to the power 6 minus 6 upon 3 into 3 to the power minus 3 upon 3. So, in next step, 3 power minus 1 into 2 power 2 into 7 under root 2 upon 5 power 0, 6 minus 6, 0. So, its value will become 1. So, 5 power 0 into 3 power minus 1. 3 power minus 1, 3 power minus 1 will be cancelled. So, it will become 2 to the power 2 means 4 into 7 under root 2. So, we have proved 28 under root 2. Now, LHS equals to RHS. Hence, proved.